You are not unnoticed. I love you so fucking much. But
Hello. We're here at sa'yo. Stay ko.
Not expecting this to happen. Thank you so much na. Ang anak ko, ito lang siya lang ang mahilig sa mga surprise. Pangalawang beses ko na ako surprise ha. Ngayon, ang pinaka-worst na surprise na to. Grabe. Katakot-takot na kung ano-anong takot ang nangyari sa akin kanina na ito talaga.
Ready?
Mapapakita yung mukha natin.
Set.
Uy!
Come here. Sit. Sit here. Sit. Sit, Cooper. Sit. Very good. Ready, set, go! Again. Okay, sit here. Sit here. Ikaw mag-ano kasi sa kanya, para...
Pinapakain kita sa gabi.
Okay.
Sit! Sit!
Huwag ka kasi masungit.
Sit, Cooper. Cooper.
Mukhang alam mo na ako sa akin.
Nagulat pa siya.
Ready, set, go! Sinasabi mo ako, ha? Ikaw. I love you. I love you, Chica Baby ko yan. I love you, Chica Baby.
Nako.
Kiss mo yan, Cooper. Kiss. Kiss. Cooper, come. Na. Sit. Oh. Good job. Come here. Come. Oops. Ah.
You're now ready to enter the car wash. If you'd like a receipt, press Quick Receipt. And then press the following directions on the side. That way. Thanks again for your car wash purchase. And have a great day.
Hello, Cooper, yun na. Hello, Cooper. Ma'am, ganun lang yun?
Drive forward.
Stop. Ayan, okay na yun. Ayan na. Maabot ba? Hindi mo na maabot pa, ma'am eh. Dapat medyo gilid ka pala. Ah, gumagalaw pala siya. Saan, Cooper? Ayun na, Cooper! No! Cooper, what's that? Amazing. Hindi na pumunta sa akin.
Hintay mo nandito ko side ko. Yan na.
Wow. Para tayong Bernag yun, no?
Ano nasa sunod? Tri-phone.
iPhone.
Yung bakla.
Wow, amazing. Hello, Cooper na yan. Ang bango ba? Ano yun? Siya ba yun? Cooper, dilaan mo. Cooper, ligit. No, yun know. Cooper. Pati si Cooper na-amaze eh.
Galing mo. Natatawa.
Sana may ganyan nga para sa dog eh. Yeah. What happened? The ano?
Raincoat. Ewan ko. Para kahit umulan, hindi madumi yan.
Yan na yung very best. Ang bango no, maabot here. Oh, musta naman yan? Kakabahan ka ba, Cooper? Lo,
Yung mga parada natin.
Cooper, yun o.
Coach natin, saan natin nalagay mo? Sa likod natin.
Siyempre.
Para maluwag tayo dito. Behave lang siya. Hindi na siya yung katulad natin.
Cooper, oh!
Spot free.
Wala, walang sealant. Ah, yan na nga yung sealant, ma'am.
Paano mo nalaman?
Kasi tingnan mo yun. So, paano matutuyo, ba? Tayo magpapatayo?
Hindi. Siguro meron dyan.
Ayun na yung silang tinan mo. Di ba maliwanag pa rin kahit na may tasa. Niloloko lang ata tayo nito. Parang paano luminis yun?
Ate na magugulat tayo.
Sige, tingnan natin na.
Kailan hotel natin?
At the light, use the left lane to turn onto Newburgh Highway toward Woodland.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now we're here in Portland, Oregon, because we have a 3 days special assembly in our religion.
And our special guest.
So as you can see, we're eating KFC. So I
And chicken sandwich from Tita Belen. Sarap.
also got a chicken sandwich as well.
From
Spicy,
KFC.
yep. And chicken nuggets,
Ano meaning KFC?
Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Fried Cooper.
So yun guys, so we're gonna be here for 3 days.
Hindi.
3 days. 3
No.
days in Oregon, but 4 nights. No, it's for 3 days and 4 days.
Ayaw ko sa'yo, 5 days pa, wag kayo makinig dyan. So, we're here na Thursday. Tapos, alis kami
Monday.
Monday.
So tomorrow is an important day. Yeah, stay tuned.
Bye! Walang laman.
And it, holy shit.
Oh my gosh!
People here up top, thank you. You are not unnoticed. I love you so fucking much. Alright, we'll do a little countdown on 3. On 3, you stand up, you put your hands up, make some whatever you want to do if you had a good time. If you didn't have a good time,
Welcome to the channel again. Now, there's 2 things na i-review natin, which is the road. Hindi yung road na daanan, okay? It's Rode microphone. To, kakakuha lang namin to ni Bambam. Sana maganda yung music quality niya kaysa doon sa ginagamit namin dati. I mean, audio quality pala, sorry. Kahit yung dati namin ginagamit na microphone, sana mas maganda siya ngayon. And then, the other one thing is this one. This is the main event. Tantan! The iPhone 17 Pro Max color orange. Yan siya ngayon, guys. 512 gig. 512 gig. And so ito yung dati kong phone. iPhone 16. Pro lang siya, hindi siya yung Pro Maxes. So guys, ita-transfer ko yung file ko here to the new phone. So
You don't need to. You
Baka-
just log in the Apple here.
tapos Automatic na yan?
Yeah.
Okay. Magbukas na tayo. Tan-tan-tan.
Naghihintay sa labas.
Naghihintay dun, no?
Tapos na daw siya pumupo.
Siya, hindi siya umorder ng phone niya kasi, you know, it's 16 still.
Ayaw ko pa.
The only,
Kasi I have 1 terabyte ko, sayang.
the only thing I like to the new iPhone is pag magvi-video ka, meron siyang options na nasa mukha ko yung,
Dual capture.
yes. Okay, guys.
Yun ang gusto niya pati yung color daw.
Bubuksan na natin, guys. Ang iPhone 17 Pro Max. So yun na, nabuksan ko na. Buksan ko na siya. Right, siyempre English. This is yung charger. But, charger cord.
Hello! We're here at Papa!
Yummy!
Japo wings. This is a Japanese wings.
Siyempre, hindi yan Japanese. Hindi, nasa ano ka, American yan, kaya American. Sarap.
Calamari. Where are you now? Massage time to end the weekend Saturday. Tama ba ba?
Tama.
We're back sa
Sa Lomi-Lomi.
Lomi-Lomi dito sa Federal Way. Federal Way ba ito ba? After full day na nakaraan sa mall, tapos kain, This is what our kinda looks like ng date namin.